All right, for the monthly section, it's just like the yearly section, except you're just doing monthly expenses. So you want to do your truck payment. And actually, I usually put in here the day of the month that is due, and that just kind of helps keep up with when you have to pay for stuff. So, do what it is. You don't have to do the calendar day. I just do that. It helps me a little bit. And you put what the value is onto the right. So on the left is what it is. On the right is the value. So, and these are some of the common things, your truck payment, your storage, ELD service, pre-pass, your office phone, cell fight, website, and if some of these things is a yearly expense for you, then you want to put that on the yearly expense. But all your monthly expenses, you put it down here. Anything that's like a weekly expense, go ahead and just multiply it by 4, and you go ahead and put this on a spreadsheet. Your advertising and marketing, For me, I'm a fleet owner, so I do a lot of marketing and advertising for drivers. So anything that you use for trying to get new drivers, your Indeed or Facebook ads or whatever you use, you will put that on that line. Your dispatching fee only if it's a flat rate. If it's a percentage, then you're going to put that in another section. But if it's a flat rate, go ahead and put that down. If it's whatever it is a month or whatever it is a week, multiply that by 4 and you'll put that there. And you just go ahead and list all the other expenses. I just have that there as a, let list all monthly expenses down there and list all the values. And then it will automatically calculate what your monthly expenses are. And once you get to your yearly and monthly, we're going to be able to break down what is it costing you per week. What your weekly overhead is for your business. All right.